Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cream tart. So let's get started, shall we? So just before we get into today's video, I wanted to say a massive thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Clicking the notification bell, then you'll be notified whenever I upload. So to start this recipe, you'll want to get a large mixing bowl. I'm using my stand mixer bowl, but you can use whatever you've got. And you'll want to place your butter and icing sugar into the bowl and then mix that over a medium-high speed until it's all incorporated and well combined. Once it's combined, you will then want to scrape down the sides and the bottom of your bowl to incorporate any bits that have worked their way up and may not have been fully incorporated. Into the mixture, you will want to add in 2 egg yolks and your vanilla. I will leave all the weights and measurements in the description down below. And then you'll want to mix that on a medium-high speed until it's all incorporated. So once it's all incorporated, you will then want to stop the mixer and scrape down the sides and bottom of your bowl to incorporate any bits that may not have been from earlier on. Next you'll want to add in the flour, but before you add it you'll want to make sure you've sifted it, so pass it through a sieve and then you're good to go. You will then want to mix that in on a low to medium speed until the flour is just incorporated, being careful not to over mix. And don't worry, you don't need to chill the dough before you use it, as it's quite a stiff dough and it won't change anyway when it's in the oven. So once you've got your dough, you'll want to then roll that out on a well floured surface until the dough is around 1 centimetre thick. And then you'll want to cut out your shape. I'm using the base from a cake tin which is 6 inches, but feel free to make it bigger. This will adjust the baking times. You will then want to repeat this so you've got 2 circles. So once you've got your dough cut out onto a lined baking tray, you will then want to remove the centre using a smaller cookie cutter, trying to get it as central as possible. You'll then want to bake this off in the oven. I will leave the times and temperatures in the description down below. So to start the assembly of your tart, you'll want to place 1/2 of your biscuit down and then pipe on your filling of choice. I'm using a freshly whipped sweetened cream, but feel free to use whatever may suit you best. If you're using fresh fruit, this will work really well. You will then want to repeat the piping process on top until you've got the top covered. This is really versatile and you can do whatever you like with it really, so feel free to play around with flavours and different combinations. So now you can start putting your fresh fruit on top. I just use strawberries, blueberries, kiwi and lime, as these are what I like, but feel free to use whatever you have or whatever you like. I have seen people use macarons on these, and if you do want to use them, I've got a recipe, I will link it down below. You could also use fresh flowers, but be careful when using fresh flowers that they are edible and they won't poison you. So if you do decide to make one of these using my recipe, I will leave all my information down below so you can show me if you want to. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Click in the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload. Check out my social medias, as I do post on Instagram stories whenever I'm baking, so you can get some behind the scenes. That's all, I'll see you next week. Bye guys.